Okay, hello everyone and welcome to my lesson about scheduled task. Today we will talking about what scheduled task is, why we should use it, why how we should use it, and I will show you very simple implementation it or based on PostgreSql. Okay, let's go. And first of all, I want to get you a couple of words about me. I'm from Costa Rica, and here we have a lot of parrots, but I hate these guys because they are very noisy, and I hate it. Yeah. So, second, I'm really nervous, and I hope you will understand me. And yeah, sometimes I will stop to talking because I'm really nervous. Okay. And third, I'm team leader in IT's company. It's blockchain company. We Swift your fiat money to cryptocurrency and back. Okay. Okay. My plans on this lesson. First of all, I want to talk what is scheduled task, why we need it, and how it's work. Yeah. Then I want to talk about implementation, what problems I will have with it, and how I will, uh, yeah, I will work with these problems. Yeah. Okay. And third, I want to show you my implementation. It's very simple implementation, and I want to show you how easy to build your scheduler task library. Yeah, it's very easy actually. Okay, let's go. What scheduler task is? It's some job which work on scheduling. Yeah, it's very easy. For example, you wake up on one time every day. Yes, you go to the bed every day one time, and I don't know, one time per 5 hours you get some food. Yeah, of course, because you need to eat. So scheduled task, it's same. It's some job. In the future, I will talk what jobs can be. Yes, which should start it, which should do on schedule. Easy. Yeah. Okay. Why we need it? For example, yeah, it's receiving data from third-party system. If we talk about my job, we get rates of cryptocurrencies from our third-party partners every time, yeah, or one time per 1 minute or per 1 hour, it doesn't matter. Or when you get some status of payment of order from third-party exchanges, or you can get other, yeah, information from other system. Yeah. Okay. We need it for calculation of something. For example, you have some job, very long, heavy background job, and you want doing it more faster in your in runtime. Yes, you need calculation, pre-calculation, some information for runtime fast calculation. Yeah. Okay. Third, it's for sending something. Okay, for example, you like your customers, yes, you want to send some emails for him every morning in 5 a.m., yes, say hello every day. So, yes, if serious, you can send some information about sales, some for your employers. Yeah. Okay. What function we should attention? Yes, our attention on what functions and problems. First of all, and I think it's very common and it's very important, it's consistency. What does mean? It's mean that your application, of course, will have more than one pod in Kubernetes, for example. So it's mean that it can get two pods can get one job in the same time. Same time, it's very bad. Now, again, for example, if you work with money, like Binance or other exchanges, yes, you can send money in schedule. For example, one time per minute, you can send Bitcoin for your customers. And imagine situation when two pods get job for sending Bitcoin in the same time, and do double send. Yeah, it can be. Of course, it's very bad because you lose your money, and it's very bad because your face will bad for your customers because double get money. It's not so good for him too, of course. Okay, it's one problem we have. Yes, it's runs on multiple pods. Your application can runs on multiple pods. Okay. Second function, what I want to have, it's changeable at runtime. What does mean? It's mean that I want to get opportunity to have opportunity for changing my schedule in runtime. For example, I want to disable one of tasks, or I want to change schedule of one of task, and I don't want to rebuild or rerun my solution for it. Yeah, rerun my application. Of course, you can put your schedule of task in environment, yes, but it's not so good because you should rerun your pods every time when you want to change something in your tasks or schedule of it. Yeah, I want to change it in runtime. And of course, I want to get stable library. Yes, I want to, if one of tasks will fail, it doesn't mean that my all my application will fail too. Yeah, of course. So it's of course it should put some information to logs or in parameters, yes, metrics. It should be error around it, but my application should work, yeah, after it, after fail of one of tasks. Okay, what implementation we have now for it, and it's very good implementation. First of all, it's of course task scheduler in system namespace. It's from Microsoft. It's work good, but it doesn't work if you have more than one pod. Yeah, it's very good for, I don't know, when you want to connect to third party on WebSocket and you should check this connect one time per, I don't know, 1 second. Yes, check this connection. It's very good because task scheduler work on all your pods. Yeah. And it doesn't work for us, but I want to say you that you can use it um, for jobs when you want that it should be run on all your pods. Okay, Hangfire. It's very good. It's work. It's useful. I think it's one of most popular library, but it's not free. Yes. First of all, then it can be little bit huge for your application. Your yes, we build application microservices, but Hangfire, it's little bit, like elephant. Yeah, it's very close to it. Yeah, it's very good, but it's can be little bit heavy for you, for us, for example. Okay, and Quartz.net. I like these guys. I like this application, and I recommend it. It's very good. It's all for you, yeah, but why I want to show you why you can build your own simple application, because it's your code style, first of all. Second of all, it means that if you need new feature, you can put it very easy. Yeah, if it's your code, it's very easy. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to simple implementation. And first of all, how it should work. Yes, as I said, it's will based on Postgres. Why we need Postgres? Okay, again, it should be consistency. It means that you get two pods for your application, and they should know that they shouldn't get one job in the same time. So for it, you need third application should be managed. Yeah, okay. And second, what I want for it, it connects from dependency injection. What does mean? It's mean that all my jobs, it's just a class. Yes, it's just class in DI. It means that I can get from this class all that I have in injections. Yes, in iService collection. Okay, let's go to show implementation and how it works. Yeah, I will present to you my share screen. Okay. Yeah, I think all screen. Yeah, I will share it. Okay. And stop screen. Um, okay, I want to show it. Mm-hmm. Okay, I don't know. Do you see? Somebody see my screens? Okay, I will present it again. And okay, yeah, I see. You see it. Okay, it's very good. Okay, let's go. Let's go to see implementation. Okay, I have two projects here. And first of all, it's of course our back worker. I will go to it a little bit later. And I want to start it from example of it. Okay, how it will work, how it will connect. Of course, I will get it a little bit bigger. Okay, first of all, of course, it's logging. It's for C more easy. And second, I put my assembly to use backworker function, and it get all my tasks. I will show you it later. It's get all tasks. And of course, I put Postgres connection string, like connection string. Okay, and how it work? Okay, this is my database. No, I started from backworker folder. First of all, of course, I have my task. First task, it's called say hello task. It's implemented interface iBackworker task. And here in backworker task, I have two lines. It's type. Uh, I will explain you it later. And run async function. It's main function for these tasks. Okay, I hope you see me. Yeah, you see me. Okay. I will check it sometimes. because I have only one monitor for it. Okay, run async. What happened here? Uh, First of all, it's in DI. Yeah, so it's mean that I can give in my constructor all tasks, all classes that I want. It's repository, I don't know, mediator, all of it will work. Yeah, I like it, I love it. It's under DI. Okay, and here I just log information hello. It's all. It's nothing. Yeah, very easy. And I have second task here again, I put type and I say not hello. I say in log information magic string. Yeah, magic string. We needed for example, okay, from my job. Yes, we get money. We get rates for our third party systems. Yes, if you get Bitcoin or if you get Ethereum, it's change price very often. Yes, one time per, it's more than one time per second. Yes, but if you get rates for, I don't know, for euro to United States dollar, yes, it's changed not so often. Yeah? And you can get a rate for Bitcoin one time per second, yes, but get rate for euro one time per per hour, yeah, or per 2 hours. Yes, so this magic string will help you. You will use this class for get rates, but you can separate it. Yes, separated these tasks and use magic string for it. Okay, how it's work in database? I use it on not entity framework but not Dapper. First of all, why I doing it? Because I want to show you SQL queries. And Dapper it's more light than entity framework. Of course, you can use entity framework. It doesn't matter. Matter is that idea of it. Okay, I have task uh, table. Yeah, and here you see I have column, it's type. What is it? It's help backworker to get needs to get class. Yes, what you need, it's help for type. You see this type and say something, it's one, say hello, it's zero. If you will go to task, you see I have one task which say hello one time per 2 seconds. I have other scheduled tasks who say hello world. You see this magic string and type one to say hello one time per 5 seconds. And I have other scheduled task who said hello.net one time per 5 seconds. Okay, what column? Uh, mm, no, I want to explain you how it's work. Yes, idiotically. Okay, first of all, I have active task table. How it's work? My pod gets all active tasks from tasks column, from tasks table. Yes, then see on active task, I have here ID, it's task ID and clock time. And if I don't have here any rows about active task, it means that pod can get it, yeah, to work. And it's get it to work and then put a row to active tasks table and other tasks can't get it. But uh, but of course it doesn't work without logs. Before before my one of pod get task to job, yes, to work, it's log active task table, then it's get all active task, check that it's not active in another, yes, pods, and only after it put information to active tasks, and then unlock this table. Yes, so log of this table guarantee that two pods don't get one job in the same time. Yes, one job. Okay. Why we need here log time? We need it because it's imagine situation that one of your pod get task, and after it will fail. Yeah, how other task will know that something go wrong? Yes, on log time. Here in tasks, I have column, it's millisecond crash restart delay. What does it mean? It's mean if your pods see that have task in active tasks, and log time plus millisecond crash restart delay more or no less than time now, it's mean this pod can get this task in work again. Yeah, okay, I hope it's clear. You see me, I see you. Okay. Everything okay. Okay, here I have, of course, millisecond restarts period. It's time when we can start this task again after last start date. You see, I have here last start date and last stop date columns in task log. It means that if last start date plus uh, plus millisecond repeat period and it's less than now, it means that I can get this task in work again. Okay, and plus stop date. Why we need it? Imagine that your task should start at one time per 1 second. Yes, but it's work 10 seconds yet. Yes, can imagine it. And after this 10 seconds, it should start it again immediately or after some time. Yeah. So column millisecond restart delay, it shows that your task should start, can be started only after that we will delay this count of milliseconds after our last stop. Yeah. Okay. Okay, tasks. And here, of course, I have column active because you can active, deactivate it, or enable, disable. It doesn't matter how you will call this column. It's idea that it should be work or not. Okay, and here I have to column two. It means that it should, you need it for tasks, for example, if you have customer only one time zone, yes, or employers, or doesn't matter, and you should say send some information for him, but you shouldn't send it in the night. Yeah, of course. So these columns show when in astronomical time it should be worked. Yes. So if I set here from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., it will mean that this task will work one time per 2 seconds from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to implementation. Yeah. Again, Okay, how it's work inside. Okay, I have backworker, it's library, yes, and I have here backworker service collection extension, of course, yes, use backworker function here and assemblers, and of course services. Okay, first of all, I should add all my backworker tasks to DI, yeah. How I doing it? I get, I scan all my assemblers, yes. Then I get all classes which implement IBAC work task acts. Uh, yeah, it's all, okay. And I get property type for it, get value of this property. And I use .NET 8, oh, I like it, okay, that I can add keyed transient, yes, my act. What does it mean? It means that I put type like key for it, and then when I use, I forgot where is it, factory, task factory, I just get keyed service by type for provider. It's all. It's very easy. I like it. Yeah. Okay, and of course, type it's should be static because we use it uh, because before we get our class. Yeah, because before we build it. Okay, and again, say hello task. You see, it's say hello. It's type. Of course, I can put here just 0, but of course I need enough for it. It's a little bit clear. Okay. Then I add hosted service, and I think it's heart of this application here. I doing two jobs. Yes, I call two function. First of all, it's of course it's migrate. Yeah, uh, you should create your tables. First of all, create schema. Then you should create tables that you need. And here I have version info. It's need for understand what version. Yeah, of course you can improve your library, so it means that you can change these tables, maybe indexes, maybe other stuffs, doesn't matter. Yes, you should understand what version of your migration you have. Of course you can use migration if you use entity framework. You you didn't have all of the stuffs, but again I used here Dapper because it's close to SQL. Yes, it's close to Postgres, and but I want to show you how it's work inside. Okay, and then I will go to Backworker Manager. It's a singleton, and I just start a single file. Here it's very easy, very easy. First of all, of course, I need stop because when we go to Backworker Manager stop async, we should stop all of this. Yeah. So here I go to loop. Yeah, I have loop, and very easy loop. I run task, then I just delay. Yes, it's magic number, but you can change it what you want. Of course, you can put two environments. You can. It doesn't matter. It starts. It's wait. Uh, Half of second, yes, and then work again. Yeah, it's all. And if we ruin here, it's just go to catch and try again. It's all very easy. Okay. Uh, yeah, Yeah, what happened in run task async? Yeah, I think it's most interesting. Okay, we should get task. Should we run? Yes. If we don't have it, we just go to next loop, and it's all. Okay. Run task. Then we get, you see, we go to backworker task factory and get class which implements our task. Yeah, again, it's used. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, it's used key services. Yeah, I really like it in .NET 8. Yeah, okay. And just get it by type. Of course, type we get from column, this column. Yeah, okay. Then we just save logs. Yeah, because we started. We can start it, but doesn't finish, so it's separated. Yeah, of course. Okay, we save logs that we started. Then we run async. Yeah, we call function run async of our implementation of IBAC worker task hack. And then again, we save log that we finished it and unlock the worker task. Very easy. Okay, here I use DB manager, one DB manager for DB manager. Let's go to implementation of our Postgres. Yeah. Okay. Of course, I don't have repositories here because I want to show you easier, yeah, implementation. I just separated interfaces for migration and DB manager, but as you can see, I create one class for two of these interfaces. I know that it's not so good, but here I want to show you implementation of scheduled task, but not, uh, beautiful code. it's action run. Okay, it's mistake here. But I want to show you in one place how it's work it's all. Yeah. Okay. Get and log star backworker task async. Yeah. I think it's more usual function. Okay. First of all, of course, okay. Go to action runner. First of all, what is action runner? It's something which manage connections. Yeah, what is happen here in perform db action? I just create connection, I open it. Of course, you can use entity framework for it, and you shouldn't think about it when you use entity framework, because guys from Microsoft, they know his work, yes, what they do. Okay, but here we don't use entity framework, so we should open our connection ourselves. Yeah, so okay, I create connection. I will check that you with me. Okay. Let's go. Okay, connection. We will open it. Then we start transaction, invoke our action, commit it, and disable connection. What does mean? It's mean that perform DB action, it's always all inside perform DB action. It's always work in one database transaction. Yeah, it's very important. Okay, let's go to DB manager. And here we create connection, we open it, and we started database transaction. Then we log our active task database or database table. Yeah, okay. Then here I just get, you see, I used query multiple async, it's Dapper function. I just get active tasks, task, and task log in in one function. Okay. After it, I just go through tasks. Then if it's need to start, what I do, I just delete it from our active task table and insert it again. Yes, insert it again, of course, with log time now. Yeah, you see this code, it's not beautiful, but it's one place, and I want to show you simple implementation. You will get it's more beautiful, all of the stuff, wherever. Okay. What happened? It's need to start. Yeah, it's okay. What happened here? Here I put, of course, now it's date when we call this function and log time. Then I go, of course, I check that this task is active, and then I check that we should started it. Okay. It's again, it's very simple code. Okay, first of all, I check time they start and time they stop. Yeah. Then I check that, you see, last start time more than millisecond restart period. Yeah. Now minus last start time, it's more than millisecond restart period, and now minus last stop time, it's more than millisecond restart delay. Okay. Then if it's okay, I just check that restart crash. Yes, of course, I should first of all, I should check that we put last log time. And second of all, I should check that now minus this time, it's more than millisecond crash restart delay. Yeah, we have time now. Okay, and time to start. I just put these booleans in one place. Yeah, very easy, very easy. Okay, let's go to our DB manager back. Okay, I check it. I check it again. Yeah, it's not beautiful, but it's easy. Why I'm doing it? Because here I go to task which don't have an active task. Here I have it. Yeah, I should put it in one place. I agree with you. Okay, and it's very important when this function, yeah, do you remember that when perform db action async, it's done, we committed our transaction. What does mean? Database transaction. What does mean? It's mean that this log, it's logged active tasks all time while all of these works. Yeah, it's very danger because this should be very fast because you keep connection here. Yeah, you remember we open our connection here, so it's mean that inside of our function it should be very fast. Okay, let's go back to Backworker Manager and lock, and I want to show you unlock. It's last. Okay, and unlock, it just delete. It's all. Okay. Okay, I will start my okay again. And that is it. I hope my presentation will helpful for you. Again, I want that you will understand that scheduled task, create your own scheduled task systems. It's very easy, it's very light for you, and you can create it yourself. Yes, anyone. And you shouldn't get why we created it, because all implemented that we have in .NET place, it's very heavy. Yes, people want to create a lot of feature, and it should work in, I don't know, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Redis, all of this. But it doesn't mean that it will work for you. Yeah. In, for example, in TypeScript or in other frameworks, we have more easier implementation for it. In .NET, I don't know why we don't have very light, yes, implementation. Okay, I want to show you. I can go to my. Uh-huh. No, we don't stop. And oh, I want to present my share screen again and share it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it worked. You can get backworker in NuGet backworker. I hope back worker. I'm sorry, it's other keyboard. Mm, how interesting. Okay, back worker. No? Yes, yes. Okay, again, you can get this implementation from NuGet, or you can get it from GitHub. Yes, and here you will get example and source code for Backworker. Yeah, I updated to .NET 8 it, and you can see this example. Okay, yeah, it's all, I think. We don't have enough time. Yeah, thank you for attention. Thank you that we see me, hear me. Yeah, goodbye.